If I ever tell you that a pregnant woman, 7 months pregnant, thrown out of a moving car, how are you going to feel? How can someone ever do this, right? Hi, this is RJ Rubina from Red FM Bengaluru, and every day we talk to people. We share stories, and thank you for sharing your thoda personal moments with me. One such story came on the show, and I'm shocked. I still can't believe कि लोग ऐसा भी कर सकते हैं. I'm obviously not taking this lady's name. She called me, and she shared her story with me. So basically, she came from a really rich, happy family, lots of dreams, lots of desires, wanted a perfect marriage, wanted to do everything to be happy after her marriage, and hers was an arranged marriage. हर लड़की की तरह इसके भी कई सपने थे. उसको लगा कि शादी ऐसी होगी, शादी वैसी होगी, शादी के बाद ये होगा, शादी के बाद वो होगा. लेकिन शादी होते ही she was shocked to see the other side of her husband. Her husband, in-laws were not the kind that she ever imagined. जब से शादी हुई है तब से टॉर्चर शुरू हो गया. इतना टॉर्चर कि उसे खाने को नहीं दिया जाता था. कभी कभार तो उसे 2 दिन 3 दिन पुराना खाना खाने के लिए फोर्स किया जाता था. A girl who was born with a silver spoon here didn't even have proper food to eat. Her husband was abusive. Her husband mentally tortured her, physically tortured her. She didn't know where to go. बिकॉज कहीं ना कहीं समाज में लड़कियों को एडजस्ट ही तो करना पड़ता है. शी टोल्ड हर पेरेंट्स अबाउट इट, बट दे सेड बेटा नई शादी हुई है ना, थोड़ा एडजस्ट कर ले, सब ठीक हो जाएगा. क्योंकि मारने का हक तो पति को सिर्फ इसीलिए दिया जाता है ना, क्योंकि वो उससे प्यार करता है. एनीवे, शादी हुई और कुछ महीनों के बाद शी इवन कंसीव्ड. लेकिन टॉर्चर कम नहीं हुआ. इनफैक्ट टॉर्चर और बढ़ गया. Her in-laws started asking her to abort the baby. Her in-laws wanted to know कि what child it could be. अगर लड़का है तो ठीक है, लड़की है तो बस खत्म करो कहानी. Yes, educated families, people who come from high societies still believe in this. Anyway, तो महीने बीत गए. She was pregnant, काफ़ी tortured, 7 months pregnant, and one day she wanted to go meet her family. She went and met her family, and on her way back, her husband did not like something what her parents said. And they started having an argument. He started yelling at her, shouting at her, he started slapping her, and she also lost her cool. She said, "How can you do this to me? Why are you doing this to me?" And the first thing he takes her phone and he throws out of the moving car. Even before she could react, he opens the car door and throws her out. She was on the road, crying with pain. "Help! Don't do this! Where will I go?" Midnight. There was no one on the streets of Bangalore. And he just drove away. She was crying with pain. She was 7 months pregnant. Don't forget that. She didn't know what to do. She didn't know where to go. She didn't know whom to contact. But there was somebody who came for help. She said, "Can you please help me call my parents?" And with the help of that gentleman, she called her parents. And they rushed her to the hospital. She doesn't have that baby anymore. She lost the child. But one good thing definitely happened. Her parents realized that guy was not worth it. She filed a case against him. And today, she's happily divorced. She's happily out of that marriage. But it takes a lot for a woman to accept it. And more than the woman, the society to accept it. It's not okay for a man to hit. It's not okay. It's not okay. In the name of love, this is not okay. मेरा हक है, मेरी बीवी है, मैं कुछ कर सकता हूँ, मैं ऐसा कर सकता हूँ. No, it doesn't work. But this lady didn't accept it so easily. Even divorce didn't happen easily. ऐसा नहीं था कि he left her and her life just came back to normal. She had to go on. She went through major signs of depression. She went through depression. She was suicidal. She did not want to live. She did not even know how to talk to her own family. She was shivering. But there were people who stood by her side. Her family finally realized that they needed her daughter more than the marriage. They needed the daughter more than what the society thinks. A lot of women go through this, no matter where you come from. Raise your voice for injustice. And more than the ladies, more than the women, more than the girls, a small appeal to families. Stand by them. Give them the support. Tell them it's okay. शादी टूटे तो कोई बात नहीं. We're there for you. भाड़ में जाए ये दुनिया, भाड़ में जाए ये समाज. No matter what they say, doesn't matter. We need you. Today she's happy. Today she is successful. Today she's doing well because her family stood by her. She believed in herself. The family believed in her. After a lot of counseling, a lot of therapies, today she's okay and she's doing very well. And yes, she will find a good guy for herself as well. And yes, she will get married and she will find somebody whom she loves. So yeah, I just wish her all the very best, and I wish that her story inspires many women who are living a life like this. If you know someone who's going through something like this, any kind of abuse, if you want to share your story with us, comment below. You can get in touch with us. Maybe we could be your voice. Share, like, subscribe, and yeah, stay connected to Red FM Bengaluru. Lots of love from Rubina.
For best entertainment, subscribe to Red FM Bengaluru page. For more updates, press the bell icon.